Hi, I'm Ann.
And I'm Dean.
We are A&D Adventures on Timber Mountain. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. Subscription doesn't cost anything for you, but does help us out. If we have enough people subscribe, we will actually be able to monetize for all these videos that we're doing.
Today is a kind of a crunch day, and regardless of the rain, we had to get some logs peeled to continue the build. Here we see Anne dancing in the rain.
Well, you got to still have fun when you're out there working, and I was just waiting for another log so I could peel. So
There you go.
I was having fun of the situation.
So the logs you see here are the logs we peeled that day, because this is the second day after that. The rain has been giving us a few hiccups, but we're still managing to continue the build.
Here you see an image of the kiln-dried wood that Dean went to pick up that we had milled prior. So it would be for our roof.
The next picture you will be seeing is me continuing on the build. Some of the logs are pretty big, and I'm happy that the Kubota is able to handle some of them. Anyways,
He's been working hard, mostly all by himself. Unfortunately, I've had a lot of things to deal with, and I haven't been able to help him. So he is doing a great job working by himself. He has had a few people come up to assist him a bit. We are actually on a time crunch. We want to have this completed by the end of August. So we're working through rain, we're working through sunny, we're working through long hours. We're just trying to get as much of it complete as possible, and we're very grateful for the help that when it does come in, for assistance from other people, because it needs to be enclosed by August for us. So
here we see my buddy Frank come up. He wanted to do a lot more, but he had
plans.
Right now we're trying to finish the bedroom section, which is the far section, and we're working. You're going to see we're going to be working on the hallway wall, which continues into the master bathroom, and that's coming along pretty good. With Tommy and Wayne giving us a good hand on this big wall, which you see we're working on right now. That part goes pretty fast.
Yes, we appreciate all the help that we are getting from everybody that comes in and helps.
No, the process goes faster when there's a few hands extra, and this is a pretty big piece. Unfortunately, I didn't. I put it in alone, but unfortunately, on one of the other videos, we were putting up a log, and the boys are able to push it around like they wanted to on the rollers.
So here you see an image of what we've completed so far, and thank you for watching, and we appreciate all your comments and your subscription.
Thank you.